Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Look at this, y'all. Look at my yard. Look at this. It just looks horrible right now, don't it? My yard looking brown, but the rain is coming this weekend. And that's the reason for my video, y'all. I'm gonna clean out my planters here, y'all. I'm going to plant some seeds. I got a helper here. See my helper right there? Coco is my helper. She's gonna help me or get in the way, one or the other. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm just clean out my planters here, and we're gonna where my seeds at? I got some seeds here we're gonna plant. Let me show y'all what I'm gonna plant. I think I told y'all this before. I got some mustard greens here, okra, and some summer squash. That's what I'm gonna plant. I'm gonna plant one summer squash, one mustard green, and one summer squash, okra. Did I say okra? Okra, squash, and greens. But anyway, before I do all that, I gotta clean out these bins. See my greens over there that lasted about 10 months last year. I got some weeds I need to pull out of here and the weeds I pull out of here. And after I do that, I got some, now let me go back here. This here dirt here is already, look at my helper here, y'all. Look at my helper. Is that a big help or what? Somebody just really enthused to help. That's how you can't find good help these days, right? That's my helper. Anybody, I'm looking for some garden help. My helper here, she just ain't no good. She ain't no good at all. So anyway, back to the video here. I'm gonna add some more topsoil, and this one I'm gonna add. Let me show y'all. Here. This is what I'm gonna put in it. My Miracle Grow. I just need to add this to it because I don't have to do nothing else to my bins. Just want to add a little more topsoil to it. Now, I'm gonna put a link in the video. People say, how'd you build these bins and what so and here so and all that? I'm gonna put a link in the video to how I did this initially. Yeah, I'm just stepping over everything here. Hold on, y'all. I'm definitely just stepping over everything back here in the yard. So y'all can see how I initially made this. But right now, I'm gonna pull all these weeds out of here. You don't have to do this, but the reason I gotta do this, we saw my little helper, and I need to keep her, finally train her to get out of here, but she might put some more fertilizer in here before my stuff start growing. But this is what I got a moving fertilizer. So all I gotta do, y'all, I'm gonna just pull this out of here. I'm gonna pull these out of here. And I'm gonna pull these up. These are old greens from last year. I'm gonna pull these up. I ain't gonna do all this on camera. I'm gonna pull all these up here. And I got this in here is easy to do. And I'm gonna come back once I get them all cleaned out. You don't have to do this every year. But like I said, I got a little helper there. Likes to come in here every once so often and do their business, which is okay. Because it ain't nothing but fertilizer, nice fertilizer. And we'll get this done. I'll be back and we're gonna add some more dirt and I'm gonna mix them all up here and then we're gonna plant our seeds. Now you decide to wake up, right? You decide to get up and help. Oh, you going over there. You ain't gonna help at all, are you? I tell you, can't find good help these days. So anyway, let me get this done and we'll be back here to go to the next step. We will be right back. Oh, yeah, I gotta take my glove off here and cut this off. All right, y'all, I'm back here. All right, y'all, I got all the grass that I'm gonna get out of there. Now, all I'm gonna do now, I take my hoe and I'm gonna kinda, you know, aerate this. What I call it, aerating. Hope y'all can hear me. I don't have the right shirt on for the microphone, but I got my microphone on. So I'm gonna aerate this one. And I'm gonna do all 3 of them like that. And then I'm gonna come back and add my other soil to this. But this here dirt is so rich. Cause I've used this for the past 3 years. And all I do is just add a little, what I call it, Miracle Grow in there. And that just, you know, just adds to it. So I got fertilizer in here, y'all. I got topsoil. And like I said, I'm gonna put a description of the video what I actually have in here. And yeah, this is just some old bins you can get for $5-6 at Walmart. And you put holes in it, put you some bricks underneath it. And like I say, you can do this at apartment complex. You can use one bin and do it at your apartment complex. Or some company you don't have the backyard space like I do, and I got the backyard space, y'all. And I don't even do it. Because I'm not gonna have to dig in the ground, and all this is so much easier to do. So let me get this all aerated up, and we'll come back and we'll show you the next. I'll show you the next step here. I'll get my helper to do anything over there. I'll be doing all right. So like I say, I'm just breaking up all this dirt. So when I put my seeds in here, it'll be all good. Good to go here. So anyway, y'all, let me get this all mixed up and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Let me show you what I got done so far. Like I say, y'all, I got them all aerated. I got all the grass out of there and the roots from last year. This one here had a lot of roots in it. This one right here. This is where I had my squash. And this, of course, this was my greens. So anyway, let me put the other dirt. I got 2 bags of this Miracle Grow all-purpose soil. And like I say, this is just to add to it and enhance what I already have. So we're gonna cut this open. Oh yeah. Make sure it's completely cut open. And like I say, I've got 2 bags here. And I've got these for like, ooh, these were like $5 at Home Depot. So I'm gonna just separate the 2 amongst the 3. Amongst the 3 bins here. Let me get this one here. Alrighty. Yeah, like I say, y'all, I'm gonna put a link. It's gonna be a video pop up after when this one's going off, and I gotta watch that video. And I got other. I'm gonna also put my playlist for every video I've done with my gardens, so y'all can look at those as well. And like I say, this is the cheapest way to build a garden in your backyard. Instead of buying them big old expensive above ground canisters, some of them things cost 50, 60. I've seen some of them going for like $70, $100. Okay. Now we're gonna break this up in here as well. this all broke up in there. All this gonna do is just help y'all. I got plenty of fertilizer in here. So we just want to break this up. Put that in there with the other one. So anyway, let me get this cut up, broke up in here, and we'll be back and get time to plant the seeds. Be right back. All right, y'all. I got them all smoothed out. See how smooth I got them? Now, all we're gonna do is plant them. This is the simple part. The hard work is done. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a line right down the center, about 2 inches deep. 2 inches deep, y'all. You don't want to plant them no deeper. If you do, you're not gonna have no items come up. I'm gonna go on this one here. Make sure on there, you're gonna go right in the middle. So I'm gonna give you a close-up, y'all, what I did. Like I said, you want to go 2 inches deep, no more than that. So like I said, if you do, you're not gonna have anything come up. Let's get this one here done. Alrighty. All right. How easy is that, y'all? Huh? Do I have to do a close-up? Let me show you a close-up of this one here where y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all probably can see. It ain't gonna really do it justice on camera, right? All right, let's get our seeds here. Whichever one I grab first, the one I'll do first. Mustard seeds. Mustard seed, that's what I got. I'm doing the India Southern Giant Curly. This is what I planted last year. And y'all, I tell you, y'all already know. You look at the videos last year. These are some of the best greens I ever planted because they just kept coming and coming. I clipped them, kept growing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just kind of plant just like this, y'all. Like you say, have faith of a mustard seed. You know how small these mustard seeds are? Like God say, you gotta have the faith of a mustard seed, right? Okay, I'm only putting one package in there, y'all. That's all I need. Okay, next we're gonna do the squash. We're gonna do the squash here. I think I'll do the squash here next to the greens here. Depending on how many seeds are in here. Yeah, we got plenty. Put this knife over here. Put them in my hand, like my daddy used to do. The individual drop them like that. Just like my dad used to do them. That's it. Don't need no more. Now we're gonna do okra. Okra right here. Open it up. This for you, Kenneth. I grow some okra. I'm gonna mail it to you, Kenneth. I know my buddy Kenneth. He loves okra. I'm not a big okra fan, but I love it fried. Like I said, I'll put this right here by hand, y'all. See that? That's it. Now all we're gonna do, get my little thing here, and just carefully put it over to cover them up. That's it. All that other soil on the side, I'm gonna push it over just like that. And we got rain coming this weekend. Let me do my greens, which is gonna just make it just even more amazing. I'm just put some water on it, but it's nothing like God's water, right? Nothing like God's water. I'm gonna do these now right here. Cover up my squash here. That's it. Now let me go get my water hose ready, and we'll come back and we'll give it a little water and we'll be finished. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all. All I'm gonna do, we're gonna soak these down really good. And like I say, this weekend, we're gonna have some nice rain come. So I just wanna soak this down and last a couple of days and let God do what he did all last year. We had a rainy spring and summer last year, so, which is awesome because I didn't have to do a lot of watering. And no, I don't put no, people say you put insect, I don't have to put no insecticides and none of that, y'all, on these. So this is like what they call pure organic. Pure organic greens and okra and squash. That's it. How easy is that to make a garden, y'all? Like I say, go to Walmart and get you some of these bins. It costs $5, $6. Poke some holes in the bottom. Put you some dirt in there, some fertilizer. Like I said, I got the link, and I had to go this year and refurbish because these were starting to crack after 3 or 4 years. Of course, plastic gonna crack. So you can see I got a new bins underneath the other ones. So I just put the other ones, poke holes in there and put the other ones underneath that and kept going. I didn't have to take the dirt out and put in a new one. I just put a new bin under the old one and it's like double standard. So anyway, let me finish watering these, y'all, and we'll be back and close this video out. We'll be back. All right, y'all. Like I say, look at my yard. It's horrible right now, but that's about to change. Got rain coming. And then next week, I got my landscape people gonna come out here and get me all prettied up. And I got some dead tree back there I need to get rid of from last year, y'all, but that's not a big thing. I got the tree company to come and do that. But anyway, like I say, y'all see how easy this is to do your garden here. And like I say, I'm gonna leave a link after this video. It's gonna be a video to pop up. Will tell you recommend or whatever, and I'm gonna leave also my garden playlist and from the last few years, and you can go on my playlist and it tells you too how I built these bins, what fertilizer, what soil I use and everything. So anyway, let me close this video out. There's a bee, y'all. I love bees. Y'all know bees. When you see a bee, don't kill it, don't mess with it, just let them do their thing. Do you know if there's no bees in the world, we would all die? We would be no humans left on the world if there was no bees. So, yeah, if you see a bee, don't mess with it. They are pollinating and making things grow. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media account: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2026. Take 6 months to mind your own business and 6 months to leave other folks' business alone. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.